Hello again. This time we're going to cover basic searches. Now that you've actually used your credentials and you've logged in, you can see that I am logged into the Philosopher's Index. And right from the jump, we're already on basic search. There are actually quite a few options you can choose from: basic search, advanced search, about, and a nice tool, which is quite handy. Actually, you can change databases if you click on this and browse other databases along with this one at the same time. Obviously, peer review is a big deal. It's already something you can check as you search. And if you notice this little logo here, you can actually click on this logo and it'll direct us to the Philosopher's Information Center, the actual website for the database. So let's say we're going to do some research on Aristotle, for instance. Let's start typing that in. As you can see, it starts to populate based on what you start typing, and Aristotle's right here. Autocomplete can be turned off as well, as you can see. Now that we're here, we have several results, quite a few actually, 14,000 scholarly journals, and 3,000 plus books. There are plenty of ways we can sort the results. You can sort by relevance, oldest, or most recent first. For the purposes of this, let's go with peer-reviewed. I'll kind of cut that down, cut this almost in half. You can also sort by certain date ranges if you're looking for a specific period. And there's also more options for publication titles, document types, subject, and language. So let's look at some of these results. Let's try this first one. As you can see, you get quite a bit of information. The specific ProQuest catalog doesn't really make it easy for full text options, as you can't even search for them or check for them from the get-go. However, in this case, there is a button for full text, and this one does not have full text, as you can see. You can also request it through ILLiad, and depending on the title, you can also request it from Interlibrary Loan from ILLiad or Link Plus. There's other places you can also request for ebooks like CSU Plus. Let's go back now. So since there's no full text, let's take a look at the other things. You can cite this, you can print, you can email and save in case this is something you want to bookmark for later. So let's go back and look at another title. Let's see, anything come to mind? Nothing of interest. We can also go back up, sort some more. Let's go with scholarly journals. And again, you have quite a few results. As we continue to browse, we also have a preview button. You can click on this to kind of look at the abstract that pops up once you open a new record. So you continue to look. For the purpose of this video, let's try to find a full text. Let's hit find it on this one. Looks like I can actually request this via ProQuest ebook. Academic Complete. Looks like the license is something that we should be able to use, so let's click on this. And it does look like SJSU has the entire full text broken down into table of contents and chapters. You don't have to actually download them, you actually read them online as well. And the layout for browsing is pretty much the same as Acrobat, the same tools. You can even download and convert to PDF as well as print. These tools hopefully help you with your research. You notice when we did pop into the record for Find It, it also has other things you can do. The same tools as well. You can use citations, emails, text, print, easy citations. You can even select what kind of citation you want. You can also pin this for later in case you're in a hurry to browse. You can continue to browse through the catalog and still know that you have this saved somewhere, as opposed to having endless search results in different tabs like I currently have at the bottom of my screen.